Hi guys, in this video we will see how to convert English to Hindi text in Microsoft Word. You can easily convert your text, English text in Hindi via translate and shortcut key. We will explain with shortcut key. First select the word or paragraph which you want to convert in Hindi and press the shortcut key Alt plus R plus L plus S, and you can see a side panel will now open. Here under 2, click on a small arrow and choose Hindi. From the right side of panel you can see under 2, click on a small arrow and choose Hindi. And you can see all your selected text will now converted into Hindi text. Click on insert and subsequently your English text will now converted in Hindi as per your requirements. So use Alt plus R plus L plus S shortcut key and convert your English text into Hindi. You can apply this formula for any of your paragraph also. That's all.